stepped down into our shadow days, wore our dust, walked our ways. Heaven's light in a fragile frame, love made low yet never changed. You spoke peace into open wounds, called the lost and made them new. Every wall came crashing down when mercy made a wider sound. At the cross we're standing equal ground, no higher name, no lower crown. We are sons and daughters, everyone called by grace, not what we've done. We were broken, now restored, found a home in perfect love. We are sons and daughters, rising free, held by hope we couldn't see. Now we live because you died. We are yours, redeemed alive. From every heart, from every land, you drew us close with nail-scarred hands. No dividing line remains, only mercy, only grace. The stone was rolled, the grave gave away, hope was born that final day. What was lost is now restored. We are healed by wounded love. One faith, one hope, one family, all made whole at Calvary. We are sons and daughters, everyone called by grace, not what we've done. We were broken, now restored, found a home in perfect love. We are sons and daughters, rising free, held by hope we couldn't see. Now we live because you died. We are yours, redeemed alive. No longer strangers, no longer slaves. You call us chosen, you call us names. No fear can hold us, no shame remains. Your love